So there was no water coming out of this very expensive faucet. So I took the buttons off, but there was still, I couldn't see anything really that would indicate otherwise. So eventually I found out how to take the tap part off, and really there's this little brass ring, and this is the cartridge, and I freed up the cartridge inside. So now I can put it back together again. To get the tap off, you have to use this Allen key and undo a little screw there. It's very hard to see. In fact, you can't see it, but the idea is if you keep this Allen key, it's the second smallest one, in line with the tap handle, you should be able to find it. Let's put that away.